Ayan, good morning everyone. Hindi ko mapindot na maayos yung button. Naninibago pa ako. We're back. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Season 2, Episode 1. Matagal-tagal rin tayo nawala. But, tuloy na naman ang trabaho. We just came back from Italy, sa Europe. Might as well took the chance there sa Italy at nagbakasyon na lang kami. While ghost month, while mahirap pa rin ang market. I usually do not trade kasi whenever the market is unstable. Basic rule ko po yan, and I always teach that to you. Stay away from the market as much as possible if it's ghost month kasi mahirap po mag-trade pag ganun. Okay? So far, PSE I has been doing sideways, pero kahapon may malaking mga developments, di ba? Sila ECP, dalawang telco nagsili kahapon. So this is good for the telcos. Meron tayong volatility. We'll talk about that. We'll talk more about that in a bit. Before that, unahin muna natin yung mga tao. Right? I just really want to greet all the Filipinos, especially yung mga OFWs, especially doon sa Italy. Right? Yung tumulong to make the event in Italy successful. Ang ganda kasi, I want to share to you this story nangyari sa Italy, right? The plan was to have a trading seminar in the afternoon. Pero nangyari kasi the traders ng yung live traders sa Roma, they said that the trading community in Rome is very small. Napaka-konti lang po sa dinami-dami ng mga OFWs sa Italy, especially in Rome. Napaka-konti lang po nang nagte-trade doon and are into the stock market. So, anong nangyari was we did not talk more about trading talaga. We talked about financial literacy even more. You'll be amazed kasi meron tayong mga kapatid doon na mga OFWs na natatanda na pero wala pa ring investments, hindi pa rin alam MP2 program, doesn't even know what the stock market is. So that's why we talk more about that, and so far so good. The result of the seminar was very fruitful. Kahit konti lang ang stock market na nangyari, anyways andyan naman yung copy trading. Nagsisimula na po sila mag-copy trade. That was very heartwarming na to know that they're already starting investing. Yan, ang dami nagsimula ng MP2 program nila, pumunta sa embassy, binalikan namin, kinamusta namin. Pumunta sa embassy at nag-start na ng pag-ibig nila. Ni pag-ibig MP1, wala sila. They weren't thinking about it after the seminar. they have considered it na nagsastart na po sila. Even insurance, ang dami po namin pinag-usapan. Right? It was very fruitful. Congratulations to the live traders sa Roma for organizing the event. A special shout out to June, Grace, Elma, and Edna, Chris, Norman, Tony, and the entire Binolo family. Albert, Joe, Kyle Largado, Pepot, yan, Jojo, Dana, Dana, si Daphne and Bea, yung mga cute na kids nila. Shiloh, Janelle, Rodel, and Grace. Roy, Ron, Shalali, Tita Beth, yun si Tita Beth. May isang araw kami na hindi ko makakalimutan si Tita Beth kasi after the seminar, meron kasi siya mga kaibigan na hindi naka-join na seminar. She requested na for me to meet them. So, isang araw po doon sa Rome, nagdala po siya ng mga kaibigan niya. Naggumawa na naman kami ng ibang seminar sa bahay na tinitira namin. So, Tita Beth, thank you. Quinn, Jasmine, Cassini, Shirley, Eman, sa Paris. Si Eman, yung naging tour guide namin na pumunta kami sa Paris. He really, isa sa idol ko dyan, Eman has work sa madaling araw, then rests in the middle of the day, afternoon, and then sa evening may trabaho na naman siya. So, dalawa yung trabaho niya. Very wise, right? Make most of your time. So, sa rest time niya, hindi na siya nagpahinga. Pinuntahan niya kami. And then, he was our tour guide for that day. And then, bumalik na agad siya. Nagtrabaho na naman. So, wala siyang pahinga on that day. So, very, very big thanks for Eman then sa Paris. Ayun, I'm gonna go to the comments of everyone. We just came back, so medyo kulang pa ang preparation ko for today's episode, but I'll do the best I can. We're gonna have chartings today. Meron ako mga recommendations for you guys sa PSE. If you want to stay in the PSE, I strongly recommend you join us in the international market already. Medyo nagkakagulo lang si Trump, but my position trades are so far so good. Nag-hold naman yung mga support, so I'm applying the low risk positions muna. Inantay ko lang muna yung mga stocks na bumaba at na pumasok ako sa ibang mga positions. Kaya ayun, makita nyo po, I have Microsoft, PayPal, Coke, AMD, si Coke, nag-all-time high si Coke kahapon, so we were able to ride it. Positive na po tayo kay Coke, PayPal. AMD medyo negative tayo and Microsoft is still doing sideways, so hindi pumasok ako kay Microsoft kasi hindi naman gaano affected ng trade wars ang mga stocks na ito. That's why I entered them. Kaya yun, so far so good, nag-hold pa rin positions. I'm looking for more positions. Hinaabangan ko yung mga ibang stocks na mag-bottom out, mag-support na before I'll be testing them out. So, hindi ako aggressive sa international market right now kasi hindi stable si President Trump. So, ayan, position trades lang muna, naghahanap lang ng supports and then hindi ko linalagyan ng cut loss. Ang plano ko ngayon is start to accumulate na for the future positions. That's for my port at the very least. We have traders out there who are gaining a lot. Ako hindi kasi ako nakatutok sa market the past month since it's ghost month. So, nag-position trade lang ako. Let me go to the comments muna really quick sa mga tao. Sorry. Na-minimize ko na-minimize ko yung Ayun. Comments. Let me see. Ayun. Joel Legares, good morning. Number 1 si Joel. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Irineo de la Cruz, morning Sir Lloyd. Holder ng Now here. Yan, good job. Sabi ko sa inyo, Now is a good company overall. Yes, bumagsak lang siya, but yung bagsak niya was just market sentiment since yung akat kasi ni Now noon, let me just go to Now. Let me open Now's chart. Ayan, di ba? Si Now kasi noon, di ba, umakyat dito. This growth was speculative. Sabi ko sa inyo, this growth was speculative. The real price of Now was playing right here. And nung bumalik na siya sa presyo na yon, sabi ko sa inyo, wag nyo na i-cut loss. What you do is just try to accumulate it. Be an investor since okay naman si Now as a company. I've been teaching you guys to sell your positions, some of your positions here, and then buy the dips, and this is the dip, and ayan. So most probably, simula na kayo nakakabawi, plus the ceiling yesterday, nakabawi na kayo. Right? Ang laki ng climb na yan. So I hope nakapag-average down kayo, or at the very least, you followed my recommendation on how to average down without adding funds to your port. Congratulations sa mga nag-hold kay Now. yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Just, if it's a good company, yeah, might as well just hold on to it. Huwag nyo na lang i-cut loss if naipit kayo, diba? Cajun Pio, good morning. Armonde Rodriguez, good morning, Sir Lloyd. No nga pala guys, a little request since kakabalik lang tayo. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share the video. Pakishare po ang video sa mga Facebook walls po ninyo. Para naman po yung mga kaibigan ninyo is ma-inspire naman at ma-curious what stock market is. Uy, yung kaibigan ko nagsa stock market, ano kaya to? Makita na itong program na ito. At least they'll follow our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Para naman masama natin sila sa mga stock market journey natin, 'di ba? And to your trading groups, if may mga trading groups kayo para sa mga newbies dyan who needs guidance, at least merong guidance dito na free, they can join the daily grind in the future para mag-guide natin yung stock market journey nila. Tommy Escobedo, good morning coach, welcome back, thank you so much. Francis Phelan, good morning Sir Lloyd, welcome back. May nag-comment kanina, I forgot who. Sabi niya, ang aga mo nag-post Sir Lloyd kasi jet lag pa ako ngayon. Hindi ko pa maintindihan yung sleeping patterns ko. Madaling araw, gising na kami. Ang hirap, hindi ko maintindihan. Antok in the middle of the day. So I'm still recovering. My body clock is still recovering. So hopefully, makapag-recover kagad tayo. Pero at the very least, tuwing daily grind, gising na tayo. Trabahador, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Mike 16, good morning Sir Lloyd. And Laika, welcome back. We missed you po. I missed you too. Vidgore, good morning sir. Welcome back. Good morning then. Daranbo, hello sir. Yan. Jaime Villaflor, good morning. Annyeonghaseyo. Bernadette Abio. Good morning Sir Lloyd. I miss daily grind so much. Pasalubong po, pictures. Dami kong pictures. Thank you again for Jodan. Nag-sponsor siya ng pictorial sa amin sa group doon. Kaya yun, meron ako mga cardo na posing. Mark Lester, welcome back Sir Lloyd. And good day Ma'am Apple and Laika, pasalubong. Hopefully if we can see each other. Saons, tabang, grabe ka down. Yes, grabe ka down ng market. But then again, if you know what you're doing, you should not be sad, right? Dapat nga, if ever, alam nyo, kilala nyo sarili ninyo, matuwa kayo. If ever you're an investor, this is good. The redder, the better for investors, diba? Ako, si Jollibee ang baba na, diba? But I'm an investor in Jollibee. I believe in the company. Ang buti na lang nakapagbenta ako, some on the top. And right now, Jollibee is at 230. I'm starting to accumulate ulit. I'm buying some already because this is a good dip for Jollibee. You should be happy if ever mababa na. If ever you're a trader, you know na hindi dapat maging aggressive in this kind of market unless you're a day trader na yung ginagawa ng Team eToro Pilipinas, right? You're day trading gold and oil. Maski ang kagandahan kasi sa international market, kahit down ang market, you can earn, diba? So, that's why I invite you in the eToro. If ever gusto nyo maging trader, kahit down ang market, kikita kayo on, what do you call this, by short selling. So, I'm inviting you in eToro. If you want to create an eToro account, please, a little request on my end, please use my link when you create an eToro account para naman po makasama namin kayo. So, I just want to advertise my group in eToro. This is, meron tayong group na we focus more on eToro, the Team eToro Pilipinas. Let me just open that. So, on your Facebook page, search for Team eToro Pilipinas. Once you've searched for Team eToro Pilipinas, itong unang lalabas, yan po yung Team eToro Pilipinas. May eToro Traders Philippines then. But Team eToro Pilipinas, this is where I admin also. The day traders are here, right? Shout out to Jed Villardo and other admins, Bengski, and Gled. Kami po yung mga admins dito. We focus more on eToro here, and eto si Jed is one of the best traders that I know. He's day trading. He's teaching. He's teaching eToro day trading for free. Right? Nagda-day trade po sila dito ng eToro for free. And makikita nyo po dyan, 2 minutes trade, naka 11%, 11%, 11%. Tinuturo po namin yan for free, yung day trading. So, please join the group kung gusto nyo po matuto mag-day trade. That's for free. Plus, we are trading, hindi naman but we as a group, hindi naman ako kasali. Hindi ako day trader kasi wala akong oras to day trade. But for those who have time to day trade, Jed and Bengski are trading live. Yan, live po yung lang ginagawa yan. Makikita niyo po, nagpo-post po ng live yan si Jed. Habang nagtitrade siya, pinapakita niya sa inyo live yung trades niya and kumikita siya live. So, makita nyo talaga na effective yung process na ginagawa ng mga tao dito. So, you'll know what to do. Okay? Please join this group if you wanna up your trading skills. Team eToro Pilipinas, for sure maraming magjo-join dito ngayon. So, Bengski and Jed, ready nyo na ang pag-accept. Kayo na lang muna mag-accept. Okay, I wanna go back to the live. Praise Lynn Rentuza, Sin Lord, good morning. Again, please create an eToro account using my link. Andyan po sa video description yung link ko. Just to be sure, I want to give you the link again. And po, create an eToro account using this link. Please po, gawin niyo po yan. That's a very big help for the channel. eToro has been very generous in helping us through that link. Okay, asan na ako? Mark Lester, nabasa ko na po yan. Sin Lord, good morning Sir Lloyd. It's good to see you back. What is happening on Meg? Si Meg na hit ng Pogo right? So, I'm recommending Meg for today. We're saying support for Meg. Ang recommendation ko po for Meg is magbodega nyo po, na po kayo. Right? Meg's still a good company overall. There was just scares in the Pogo. So that's not really gonna be ang laki naman po kasi ng negosyo ni Meg. Hindi lang naman sila doon naka-invest yung company. So Meg overall is still a very good company. So I'm still recommending Meg. Bodegahin niyo po yan habang mababa na po si Meg. And BPI, check natin mamaya si BPI. Alright, si BPI wala sa recommendations ko. So BPI, so far so good naman. This is to be expected on a ghost month. Overall the company is good. Pag bumaba yan, last magbodega pa kayo. Ganun lang. BPI is a good company. Also about eToro, required talaga passport or any valid ID. Mas madali kung passport ang gagamitin ninyo. Other IDs, internationally accepted ID, driver's license, pwede naman yan. Yun yung ginamit ko sa akin noon. Driver's license is okay. Pero mas madali pag passport. Hey, don't worry about that. eToro is a regulated company. So, it's very safe. And ang tagal na po ni eToro, ang dami na po niyan. Passports na may kopya. It's very safe. Don't worry about that. Elma Barbudo, ISM, DNL po. And pag nag-leak yung information natin from eToro, pwede natin silang ma-question about that and pwede pa kayo magkapera dyan. So, it's very important yan. Tulad nila Facebook, di ba? Pag may nangyayaring leak, nakaka-fine sila. Right? ISM DNL po for Borbado. Elma, ISM, so far so good. This is a good support for ISM. Yung mga speculative na telcos nga is lumalaki, umaangat. Ano pa kaya yung sure na third telco, di ba? This is a good dip for the ISM. I say, bodegahin nyo po yan sa ISM. This is for long term. Pero pong long term po, dapat you're very, very patient with your money. Dapat meron kayong pera na pang long term, meron kayong pera pang trade para hindi po kayo mainggit sa iba. Okay? And DNL sadly went dip down because of their earnings. Earnings nila bumagsak 15.5% for the second quarter, but that's just the second quarter. Overall, this is still a very good company. This is very good for DNL sa mga naglo-long term kay DNL. This is your opportunity to buy more kay DNL. For those who want to trade DNL, maganda na yung price action niya. You have a support right here kung gusto nyo po i-trade yan. Recommending DNL for mid to long term. Maganda po ang company niyan. So don't worry about it. Marco Salvador, hello, good morning. Good morning po. John, maayong buntag. Sir Lloyd, nice to hear you back. Thank you so much. Ketamine, ISM, PIP. Sana sir, check natin si PIP. Alright, sa mga around mga 9 o'clock, I'm gonna start with my recommendations. I have a few recommendations. I saw some stocks na nagbo-bottom out, so it's gonna be very good. So si PIP, Rage Trade case PIP, best trading strategy for PIP is we have a support right here. As much as possible, enter the support and then sell tayo dito since we have a very strong resistance for PIP. Range trade lang for PIP for now. Noel Minano, Sir Aba, po, is it a bounce at MA200 stock market international 2.go nga. Ang hirap ng international market ngayon kasi si Trump hindi mo maintindihan. So, ang ginawa ko sa international market ngayon is just nag-position trade lang ako for now and I'm gonna be holding the positions for a bit for quite some time. Si let's say MA200 indicators, MA200 moving average. And then, edit natin. 200. Tingnan natin. So, MA200 is here for ABA. Yan. Possible mag-bounce ito. Overall, the company is doing well. Medyo mababa yung second quarter nila. Tingnan ko pa yung fundamentals nila. So, one of the reason bakit bumaba siya. MA20, let's see if mag-bounce. Antayin lang ang bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, you can test it out. Use at MA200 as your support. Hopefully, makapag-bounce tayo dyan. And sabi sa inyo, wag niyo na habulin sa taas si Abe. Alright, enough na yun. That's why I always recommended sell niyo na. Right? Yung nangyari kay KPPI while I was in Europe, sabi ko sa inyo, magbenta na kayo. Ayun, bumaba nga, 'di ba? So hopefully nakapagbenta rin kayo dito kay ABA. Alright, took advantage of that. Hindi ko na sinasakyan ngayon si ABA. I'm just waiting for ABA to give me a sure consolidation for now kasi ngayon malakas pa yung downtrend ni ABA. So I don't want to recommend that yet. Pag nag-bounce yan, you can test MA200 to see if ever tama tayo. If ever mali, just cut your losses below MA200. Okay? Ganun lang. Simple as that. SSI, sir, from Michael Aquino. I was looking at SSI kanina. SSI, yun din pababa rin maganda naman yung net income nila, though it broke MA200 niya. It's still touching the lower Bollinger Band. I'm waiting for this to give us a bounce. Pag nag-bounce ito, you can go aggressive on this, but test buy lang na entry. Okay? Let's see if ever, because this is an engulfing pattern. Engulfing patterns usually is a sign of reversal. Hopefully this is a good dip. Maganda naman yung takbo ng company, plus our inflation is not that big. So I think SSI is gonna be doing well the next coming quarters. Michael Aquino, yan. That's for SSI. C and ISM, Sir Lloyd, Bodega lang po sa mga stocks na yan. Ang recommendations ko po dyan is long term. And even now, ISM and C is in supports, di ba? Si C, ayun, kakabounce lang ni C, nag-pullback lang. So, antayin natin yung bounce ni C. That will be good price action for C kung mag-bounce yan. ISM, we are at Bodega levels. Pag nag-bounce yan, that's a good entry point for ISM. Hintay ko lang yung what do you call this? Yung mga bounces nila. How do you screen on global equities, coach? Ang screen ko po, I already taught you about this. Meron akong episode about this, how to create your watch list. Ang pwede nyo pong gawin is look for fundamentally good companies. Ang ginagawa ko po is ganito. I look for Warren Buffett. Here sa eToro. Warren Buffett, makikita nyo po dyan. Si Warren Buffett, makikita nyo po anong mga companies ang pinapasukan ni Warren Buffett. Just click on portfolio. Here, and then go to view all, yung stocks niya, view all. Tingnan niyo po lahat ng stocks niya. Meron siyang Apple, Bank of America, WFC, may Coke, AXP, KHC, USB, yan. These companies are already filtered by Warren Buffett. So, he knows that these companies are fundamentally good. So, these are my watch list. Meron ako mga dito na mga hinahanap ko. So, I started with these, and then punta ako sa food and drinks. Pwede si Carl Icahn. Ano ba yung spelling ng Carl niya? Carl Icahn. Yan, Carl Icahn. Ayan. So, can go to Carl Icahn. Isa rin to sa mga pinakasikat na mga fund managers. And you can see anong mga assets ang hinahawakan niya. So, Carl Icahn is holding IEP. So, you can start by building your watch list using this. And then every day, tinitingnan ko po yung watch list ko kung sino ang may buy potentials. So, ganun lang. Make a list and then look at them every day. And if I can see buy potentials, that's when I get in. That's how I screen my global equities. Right? I use these people. Right? These people, sila Warren Buffett, sila Carl Icahn, they have the resources to do the fundamental research. Right? Fundamentals research ng mga ito is very good. That's why I just trust them because they have the resources for that. Wala akong resources for that. And then, if they think this is fundamentally good, most probably it is. And then I'll just look for positions to enter them. Okay? And then, you can also do this. Pag-click mo na isang company, right, Microsoft, right, for example, you look for Microsoft, tingnan mo po yung research, right? Marami rin po dito. This is a very useful tool also for you guys. Just go to research once you have entered the company, and then analysts is 92% buy ang mga sinasabi ng analysts ngayon. So, malaki pa rin chance na umakyat siya. Buy pa rin ang sinasabi ng mga analysts. These analysts do their homework. These are very credible analysts. You can read their articles. This can help you in screening your what do you call this? This can help your research, right? Tingnan niyo po yung mga sinasabi ng mga analysts. Okay? So that's to answer the question of Jovi. Not from Roj Dahay, right? Again, eToro. Join us in trading eToro. Please create an account using my link. Na-miss ka namin, sir. Thank you so much. Praiselin, ayun, si PHA. Sadly, kay PHA, unsaon naman na si PHA, sir. Hopefully, you have nakapag-cut loss tayo, right? Hopefully, nakapag-cut loss kayo dito kay PHA. Bad news, that happens in the stock market, na po sila, nag-ghost po sila ni what do you call this, yung Qatar na company, I forgot the name. So, we're gonna be going back to the neutral levels. Right, at neutral levels, I'd say PHA is still very good. Ang laki po na negative nila since they invested on 2 companies na mining sa Palawan, which are very good investments naman for now. But right now, I don't want to recommend PHA yet. This right here, itong value na ito is not valid as of the moment kasi mukhang hindi matutuloy yung investment sa kanila. Umakyat lang naman to dahil sa investment nila but I've been recommending PHA dito pa naman. So, this is the real value of PHA right now dito sa baba. So, I'm expecting PHA to go back down to that levels. Okay? Naabangan ko lang po ulit si PHA. Remedyo Cabrera, that's why we always sell as much as possible. Good day, morning, sir. Ano po ang mga blue chips company? Right, to help you in your looking for blue chips and dividends, side bit na lesson, just go to msn.com, right? msn.com, make sure you're on the ENPH page, so Philippine page, and punta po kayo dito, go to money, itong money na ito, right? Money. Okay, pagpunta niyo po sa money, punta po kayo sa stock screener, right? MSN money. Then go to stock screener, which is right here, yung bumibilog na yan. And then you can go to click on blue chips. So this is a screening method din na ginagamit ko. House, FPH, ABA, CHI. So these are the blue chips right now. Okay? Diyan po. And then, the 52-week highs, meron po dito lumalabas ng mga nag-52-week highs. And then, bargain stocks. And then, you can go for high dividend yields kung gusto niyo po mag-dividend place for PSE and SPC, SPC. GMA7, one of my favorite when it comes to, what do you call this? When it comes to dividends. Okay? So, you can use this. MSN Money ng MSN.com. It's a helpful, what do you call this, screener also. Sir, and on eToro, magkano fee per trade at leverage? Thank you, sir. Fee per trade. Sa Europe, if you're a European or nasa Europe countries kayo, libre lang po mag-trade. Alright, wala pong commission at the very least. Tax lang meron. So, very cheap naman. Dito sa Pilipinas, you can go to, this will help you guys, right? So that you don't have to ask anytime. Gawa lang kayo na free na eToro account. Pwede naman kayo may virtual. Hindi nyo pa kailangan loadan. Then just click on this help right here. And then makita nyo po dito market hours and fees. Makikita nyo po ang oras ng mga markets and fees. So if you go to stocks, depende ko sa yan. Iba-iba ang mga fees. If you go to stocks, ang fees ng stocks is this is just for UK, zero commission. Dito po, may overnight fees but mangyayari lang po yan if ever naka-leverage lang yan or short positions. Okay? Buy position fee, sell position fee. This is for mga leverage. Asan yung fees? Right, medyo magulo. I'm just gonna be But as far as I know, mas mura po ang fees ni eToro when it comes to trading stocks kaysa sa PSE. Mas mura po sa eToro both ways. Right? Sell and buy. You know ba? You have to consider kasi the buy and the sell positions. Mas mura po sa eToro sa stocks. Huwag nyo lang po ile-leverage. Huwag nyo lang po short selling kasi may additional fees po yan. Kasi we're borrowing money from eToro that way. Diba? So, kaya may fees pag naka-short or naka-leverage. Okay, Ketamine, sir, any thoughts on rumors about impending recession? Impending recession, so far wala naman. There are fears about that. The investors are just turtling up because of that. Kasi ang daming drama ngayon ng Trump and that it can cause problems sa stock market. But so far, wala naman tayong nakikitang bubble sa US. Their economy is really doing well still. Ang fears lang kasi ngayon is because of the trade wars But fears for recession, there's no real reason yet for US to go on a recession. Yun lang. There are fears. I'll read more about those, but so far sa mga information na nasasagap ko, wala naman siyang valid na what do you call this, na reason to go on recession. Unlike doon sa nangyari sa 2008 na recession, which was the housing bubble. Ngayon, alam na ng mga fund managers how to handle that. Kaya I haven't been seeing any solid reason to go on a recession yet. Okay, yung trade wars lang ang problema. But that should be okay. Hindi naman problema kasi na yung China, kung mawala yung China as a supplier, it's not really cause for recession. US can always look for other suppliers. Marami andyan pa sa India. It's just that established na si China. Yun lang ang pinaka-problema. The companies are still doing well. So that's not really a problem. Raging Bull, good morning, sir. KPPI, thanks. KPPI, let's check out KPPI. Time check, it's 8:46. And si KPPI, after a very strong start, nagpo-pull back na. This is to be expected, diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo na mangyayari yan After very strong move, it should go down. So far, haven't seen any. I really don't like the positions. Yes, very volatile. I don't want to play with that kasi napaka-unpredictable po niyan. Sir, what about DMW, FNI? Meron pala from Jinky Kaseka. Alright, sorry. FNI. Si FNI naman, maganda yung labas ni FNI kasi maganda yung earnings niya, di ba? FNI, yes, very good support for FNI. With the earnings, this should help FNI. If you want to trade FNI, use this support right here. Very solid support for how many months yung support na yan nag-hold. So I'd say yes, especially now na may magandang numbers pinapakita sa FNI. You can test that support for FNI. Test buy nyo lang. Mas maganda ito pag nag-uptrend. Mas magandang subukan yan. But you can always test the support already. DMW, no worries to be aggressive. Enterin niyo lang po sa support. DMW, nagda-drop siya even if the company is doing well. That's ghost month for you. I'm just waiting for this company to dip again. And then, we're just gonna be buying that again. This is a very good company. So, don't worry about DMW. Sad Nico, welcome back, Sir Lloyd. Ask ko lang insights nyo kay Vita. Probably kay Tag si Vita. Ang pangit ng pinalabas na numbers ni Vita Right? Second quarter earnings, negative 9,000%. I still haven't dissected those numbers. But, that is not nice to look at. So, I'm expecting Vita to drop after that. And then si Tugs naman, overall still a good company. Market sentiments is just down for Tugs. Si Tugs, ang laki na negative ngayon. Ang dami kasi investment ni Tugs. Right? We're expecting negatives. Pero pag negatives na yan because of investments, that's always okay. I'm also holding Tugs. Looking for stabilization kay Tugs pag nag-consolidate na yan and gives us clear support. I'm gonna be averaging down on Tugs. I always average down on my long-term stocks, mid to long-term stocks. Si Tugs is one of my mid to long-term stocks because this is a good company. Abi na ko, mga artista og model lagi ito nakaposter from Mark Lester. JD Gonzalez, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Mayang pagbalik from Italy. Thank you so much. Ben Moneda, hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, insights kay Tugs, please. Salamat. It's not good for trading right now, so iwasan nyo lang po muna sa mga nag-short term kay Tugs. Dapat nag-cut loss na kayo when it broke support. Right now, we don't have any buy signals yet for Tugs, so stay away from it. Though we do have divergence already, so we're expecting Tugs to consolidate anytime soon. So most probably, it's gonna be consolidating there. Ano po oras nag-open US market sa eToro? Nag-open. US markets open at 9:30 p.m. dito sa Pilipinas time. Manila time, 9:30 p.m. Paul Alegado, sir, insights ka IRC. Thanks, IRC. Let's check out IRC. Right, IRC. Uy, divergence for IRC. Bumigat si IRC dahil sa earnings nila but the project is still there. So, this is good for those who are investing in IRC because of the subway project. That's still very good. Laki ng negative nila, 88%. So, this is something you should be cautious of. I want IRC to stabilize, create a support at least before ko po i-recommend yan. Okay? So, I don't want to recommend it yet. GB, welcome back. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Clarence Bautista, morning sir, Lloyd. Insights po kay DMC and EWs. DMC may magandang earnings linabas diba? So, DMC ay, ayun. Negative 14 siya, pero si DMC, anong news nga ba yun? Anong sector nila? Forgot anong sector yun The Billionaires Club. Let me see. DMC. Ayan, DMCI mining shipment. Ayan, si DMCI mining shipment surges 41% in first half. Okay? So, here it is. DMCI mining shipment surges 41% in first half. So, that's still gonna be very good for DMCI overall as a company. Right now, yung sentiment is negative. Ang laki ng pula and there's volume in selling yesterday. Let's see what will happen at this support. For now, don't want to recommend DMC yet. Too aggressive, too volatile for me. Medyo aggressive yung entrance niya from there. EW, east to west. No, not way. EW. Ew, dapat not way. Alright, EW. Earnings 10%. Yun, we already expected EW to climb from this point. Diba? Pinag-usapan na natin si EW there. We're back at that support. There's good price action on EW. I'd say yes in EW. Pag nag-breakout yan, that will be a good entry point for EW. The very least, kung price action nung titingnan natin. EW has been doing well this year naman. So far, so good. Seb po from Mark Benson Ong, CEB. CEB, may resistance tayo dito. Antayin lang nyo lang sa support. If gusto nyo po mag-range trade for CEB, antayin nyo lang po sa support siya. Remigio Cabrera, somehow your message got retracted. Alvin Urbanes, morning sir Lloyd, welcome back po. Thank you so much. Miss ka namin. Miss ko rin po kayo. Sales, right? Good morning sir. Buy na po ba Meg and FLI? Meg is Bodega na for me. FLI, kamustahin nga natin si FLI. Hindi ko na kamusta si FLI. Ayun, bumaba na naman si FLI. So, let's try to Bodega FLI back at 1.53. Overall, company is still very good. Okay? Antayin natin yung bounce ni FLI. We have divergence pag nag-bounce yan. That's a buy signal. I'd say yes, bodegahin nyo na yan. Sir, VUL po, bakit bigla umangat? Wala namang news. Salamat po. Nag-hypan kahapon ng mga tao is observing the market. Pag nung nag-sailing na si ECP, tsaka so yung mga si ECP, si Now, yung mga fourth telco ang nagliliparan, hindi yung third telco. But anyways, that's a market for you, especially PSE. Speculatives win dito. Sa international market kasi, fundamentals are rules. Dito, speculation rules sa PSE. Right. So, ayan. Pagkatapos mag-ceiling ng si Bull naman yung hinipe nila at ayun, umakyat. Sabi ko nga ba, aakyat si Bull dahil doon. At ayun, umakyat. This is unsubstantiated climb, so I don't want to recommend that. And napaka-high risk na po niyan. Okay, I'll stop with Sales for now. Alvin Rabanes for now. I'll go to my recommendations really quick, okay? Yung topic natin is sila Now at ECP nag-ceiling. Anong gagawin natin, di ba? ECP, ceiling. Now, ceiling. Right. So, ang dami nagsasabi na sumakay kay Now kasi pwede pa umakyat yan. Kay ECP, pwede pa umakyat yan. Tama. Right, sorry, hindi ko na-share yung screen. So, ECP, ceiling. Si Now, ceiling. Yan, sinasabi ng mga tao, sakay kayo, kasi pwede pa umakyat yan. Tama naman, pwede pa umakyat. Pero pwede rin bumaba. Always put that in mind. Okay, so what do you do for this? Number one, kung gusto nyo pa pong pumasok dyan, meaning you're having FOMO, the fear of missing out. Right? That's a very dangerous emotion when it comes to trading. Okay, wag po kayong maiinggit dyan. Now, for the potential na pwede pa ito umakyat, totoo po yan, pwede pa yan umakyat today. So, it's up to you. But be sure you know what you are doing. Kung hahabulin nyo po ito, it's either investor kayo dyan, get ready to become an investor. Diba? Kasi pwede bumagsak yan at hindi nyo alam ang ginagawa ninyo kung bumagsak yan. investor talaga kayo, 'di ba? That's one entry here. If you're an investor, just enter it and then just enter it back. I don't recommend it. Doon po kayo sa baba pumasok kung investor man sana kayo. Kung plano niyo mag-investor dahil lang umakyat 'yan. Wag na. I don't want to recommend that as an investor. Pero investor entry 'yan kasi magiging investor po kayo diyan. Number 2 entry here is if you are a momentum trader. Tignan nyo po if magkakaroon po ito ng momentum today. Sakyan nyo kung gusto nyo maging momentum trader. Kung marunong kayo mag-momentum trade. Hindi nyo pa nga alam ano yung momentum or ano yung momentum trading, huwag na kayong pumasok. I do not recommend getting in here unless gusto nyo pong magpaipit dyan. Kung okay lang sa inyo magpaipit dyan. Okay? Ask yourself, kung bumaba ito, okay lang ba sa akin? Kasi maganda naman yung galaw ni Now in the future as a company. So, better ask yourself first, what is your purpose in getting in? Be sure what your purpose is. I don't want to recommend it kasi masyado mataas na po yan. I always wait for the pullback and then bounce. And if hindi ako bigyan ng pullback and bounce, then I'll let it go. Basic rule in trading, let it go. Diba? Never, ever, ever go after missed opportunities. Okay, so that's my 2 cents for ECP and Now. Hindi ko po i-recommend yan. Antayin nyo na lang po mag-pullback kung gusto nyo talagang pumasok. Pullback and then bounce and then test the waters there. Okay? My recommendations for today, ito po. SLI, ABS, ABSP, MRSGI, MER, and CHIB. Okay, so I'll share to you now the charts. Yung charting ko for these recommendations that I have. SLI, si Santa Lucia Land is on a strong uptrend. Maganda yung earnings niya. So this was the one that caused the surge na umakyat si SLI. Paakyat. And then there's the pullback and then there's the bounce. This is why I always teach you about MA20. Kaya paborito ko po si MA20. Saan nag-bounce si SLI? MA20. Diyan nyo po abangan. I hope this lesson, kahit wala ako lagi, has stuck into your brains. MA20 po, if you're looking for pullbacks, MA20 is the best time to test it out. Okay? Pag may nakita kayong bounce sa MA20, that's the time to enter it. Maganda naman yung volume ng bounce yesterday. It's not too late. Get in your MA20 as much as you can for Santa Lucia Land. Right? That's a very good pullback for the movement. ABS-CBN, mukhang mabibigay yung franchise ni ABS-CBN ulit. This dip was just due to the fact na tinakot sila at hindi baka bumagsak yung hindi ma-renew yung license nila. Franchise nila. Right now it's surging up kasi malaki naman chance na babalik na yung franchise nila. Upper Bollinger Band triggered and then we have an MA20 bounce. Yes, use MA20 as your support. Same with ABSP. And magkasama yun sila. MA20 bounce for ABSP. Use MA20 as your support for ABSP if you're trading. MRSGI. This is the recommendations ko for today. MRSGI is at this very solid support for MRSGI. At ang ganda po ng support na yan. Ang ganda ng earnings na pinakita ni MRSGI for the second quarter. I'd say yes, you test out the support for aggressive entries sa mga conservative. Pag nag-breakout po yan sa downtrend niya, pwede nyo pong pasukin dyan for further confirmation. Para sa akin, nag-confirm na po siya ng support. I'd say yes, MRSGI is a buy for me. MER. If napapansin nyo po, karamihan ng mga entries ko is yung mga supports. Kasi ghost month po. Right? As much as possible, play with supports unless the stock is on a clear uptrend like SLI. Diba? And tsaka sila ABS-CBN. MER naman, I'd say yes, meron na tayong triple bottom for MER. 1, 2, 3. Triple bottom po yan for MER. And then, nag-break na po siya ng MA20. So, that's a change of momentum. Yeah. Range trade for MER. We are still at buy levels. Pwede nyo po pong habulin yan. If you can get in your support as much as you can, pwede naman. But MER is okay. We have a sell area right here. So, mas maganda. Maganda yung risk to reward ratio ni MER. Okay? CHIB, nawala yung ibang recommendations ko Ayan, hindi ko na nagdagdag ito. Dapat nandyan sila CLI and MEG. Right, isa yan sa mga ads ko. Right, CHIB, let's open CHIB. Hindi ko na post yun. Pero kasama yan sa mga recommendations ko. So CHIB, solid support, for CHIB. Ang ganda ng earnings ni CHIB, 14% for the second quarter. That should help boost it. Ang ganda ng performance ni CHIB for this year. Bodegahin nyo na po yan habang nasa baba pa si CHIB. Okay? Si China Bank has been doing well for this year. Use that support, yung bounce niya. Yan po yung gamitin nyo for your entrance in CHIB. That's a good company to get in. CLI and MEG, bodegan nyo po si CLI. This is a very good dip for CLI and we have good price action for CLI. Nag-break niya yung we have good price action for CLI. Bodega na ba for me? Yung recommendation ko CLI. This is a very good dip. Look at the quarter earnings of CLI. 24% for the second quarter. Very good company. Nag-dip siya, but when that earnings came, umakyat na naman siya. And I think this is gonna be a good start of a trend. Bodegahin nyo ito for me. If it goes further down, yeah, you can buy it. I would say I'd buy that already on this bounce right here. Nag-bounce na siya yesterday, yes. So, start na mag-bodega. Bilan nyo ng konti. If bumaba, just keep buying more. MEG. So, MEG, overall, still a very good company. We have volume for MEG. Kahit napula yan ng konti, ang ganda ng volume. I'd say there's also buying in MEG. Simulan nyo po mag-bodega kay MEG. Okay? Bodega yan, if this is gonna be a mid to long term mid to long term recommendation. Hindi ko alam kung bottom na ito or not. I just want you to buy MEG here, buy some. If it goes further down, just keep buying more until we reach the bottom, hanggang sa makuha natin yung bottom, and then it should go up after because this is still a good company. Okay, so CLI and MEG, bodegahin nyo lang po. Okay, so going back, yun po yung yun po yung recommendations ko. Let me see if you have any questions about my recommendations. MPI, Insights kay GFC. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, wala naman. So, let's go. Sir, sa international market, si Trump rules. Pwede nyo pong gawin. If ever nakaabang kayo sa market, if magtitweet si Trump, i-short sell nyo yung mga stocks. Bumabagsak. Especially stocks na affected sa trade wars like Apple. sila Apple, number 1 yan. Bumabagsak pag nag-aano si Trump. So, pwede nyo po i-short sell yun sila Apple. Okay, so going back. Alvin, Joseph De La Torre, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Appreciate if you could give us specific explanation on ceiling place. Thanks. Specific explanation on ceiling place. Wala naman specific explanation on ceiling place eh. Kasi if may specific explanation dyan, mauhuli natin ang mga ceiling place. There's no specific explanation in ceiling place. It's just that yung mga chupitero dun pumapasok. Okay? Usually, pag may isang stock na sikat ngayon, dun lahat bumibili. Kasi those who are looking for action, walang kasi gaanong action sa market. Dun lang nakikita action. They take advantage of it. And especially na may magandang news naman si Now. So, umaakit siya ng ganun. But, those movements are not healthy. There's no specific explanation on that. Swerte lang yun. I did recommend Now before. Sabi ko sa inyo, nasa support na yun. And then, it's a good company. Ayun, nagsiling. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok nun. Swertihan lang. And then, you can try momentum trading. Pwede po kayong kumita sa momentum trading. Right? Kataon lang yan na sikat siya. Yung mga momentum traders pumasok din. And then, andun lahat ng movements. Dun lahat pumasok. Pati yung mga nafo-FOMO. Kaya, lumilipad ang stock. But it's not healthy movement, I tell you. Okay, Alvin Joseph De La Torre, good morning, sir. Yun na pala nabasa ko. Air Plata, sir. Hello, it's nice to see you again. Thank you so much. Sir, pa-check po na Facebook, Microsoft, and GWPH. International market-wise, open ko lang si tradingview.com. Si Microsoft so far andun pa rin sa support niya. So, I'm still holding MSFT. Alright, so this support of Microsoft is still holding. So far so good for me si Microsoft. Maganda pa rin naman yung company overall. Earnings 41% for laki ng earnings nila sa last quarter. That's very big growth for Microsoft. GWPH, si Facebook, FB. Si FB, hindi ko muna punasok kasi we're seeing a downtrend for FB. Pero may magandang galaw na ngayon si FB ah. Okay, this is good. Meron tayong divergence. So this is, you can test out this support for Facebook. Good find, ano, air. GWPH, si GWPH medyo bumabagsak pa, downtrend pa. Bakit kaya? Earnings, maganda naman yung earnings. Yeah, downtrend pa si GWPH. Iwas lang muna kay GWPH. Welcome back, sir. Good morning. Ansky Baoyabs. Sir, pa-update naman nung Axelum All Home. Oo nga pala. We'll talk about that tomorrow, right? Hindi ako nakaprepare ng sino magandang IPO eh. I usually do not buy IPOs kasi I let it stabilize before I enter. So I am not really into IPOs. But these are good companies. Axelum and All Home, right? Nadaanan ko ka yesterday si All Home. Right? Yung parang Wilcon, di ba? So, tingnan, looking at Wilcon, it's a profitable business, especially right now na maganda naman yung real estate industry. So, yeah, All Home should be doing well also. I don't want to enter All Home unless you are an investor in it. If you're a trader, it's wise not to enter yet. Okay? Always wait for the price action to tell you. Kung umaakyat siya, then you can ride the momentum. Pwede mo yung momentum trade. Pero I don't really enter IPOs. Okay, mamaya na pag nag-stabilize. Tulad ng ginawa natin kay DMW, ilang beses natin nahuli yan si DMW. DMW, very good company. Right? Nung nag-IPO si DMW, bumagsak. Right? Bumagsak. And then this is where we caught it. Sabi ko sa inyo, huliin nyo na sa DMW here. Then umakyat, we were able to win that, and then bumaba, and then it stabilized. I recommended the MW here again kasi meron na tayong basis sa price action. Mas makikita natin. 50-50 kasi yung pag pinasok nyo si IPO, kung umakyat, then good, bumaba, bagsak. You are gambling that way. Okay? I always wait for price action. At least mas maganda yung odds ko if I wait for price action to happen. Global, sama. Yun yung nag-ghost, yun yung nag-Gerald kay PHA. Jamples G, may Philippine market po ba ang eToro? Wala pong Philippine market sa eToro. Kasi po ang available lang kay eToro are large cap companies. Hindi po pwede kay Philippines kasi pag nagpa-copy trade ako, what if lahat ng Pilipino nakapag-copy trade sa akin, pumasok ako kay Now, magsisiling yan si Now kasi lahat nakapasok, sinasamahan ako. So it will move the market if ever. So it's unhealthy to copy trade in PSE. Chamni, Sir DMW po. DMW on the screen right now. Pa-downtrend pa, so I don't wanna recommend it yet. But definitely, abangan nyo po yan. Maganda po yung company na yan. Sir, ano po magandang screener para sa mga uptrend na stocks? Use the MA20 sa screener. Di ba may screener sa Investograms? Hanapin niyo po yung MA20 and yung mga stocks na nasa above MA20 or kaka-bounce lang sa MA20. Hafaday, good morning Sir Lloyd from Macau. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Hapser, IRC, and FB. IRC, abang lang muna ka IRC. Let's see if it will stabilize and give us support before ko ma-recommend si IRC. Si FB naman, pa-downtrend pa. Keeps touching the lower Bollinger Band. So, sadly, bumabagsak po sila. Beatrix, morning insights kay GFC. Thanks, GFC. Unclear po yung movement ni GFC. We have a downtrend but good price action right here. Let's see if ever mag-break siya. Mag-breakout siya. That will be a good reversal sign for GFC. So, ganda ng posisyon na ito. Napasukin actually. Let's see. Good day from Hong Kong, MPI. Coach, MPI. Ganda ng galaw ni MPI while I was away. Yun. So, MPI umakyat. Nagpo-pull back. I'm just waiting for MPI to go green. MA20 actually nag-bounce na sa MA20. I think magtuloy-tuloy yan today. I just really wanna wait for confirmation green before I wanna recommend it. Sir, kailan pwede mag-average down sa IRC? Pag may nakita po kayong support kay IRC, pwede nyo po i-average down yan for IRC. Tech and Tugs po. Si Tech, sadly, bumabagsak si Tech. Right, si Tech bumagsak. Negative 59 yung second quarter earnings niya. That's the cause of the drop. I don't want to recommend Tech yet. It's doing a downtrend. Asan na ako? Tech and then Tugs. Right, si Tugs naman, I don't want to recommend Tugs for trading right now. Okay, hi sir, welcome back. Okay lang ba mag-Bodega kay SSI, GFC, and SMPH? Yes, definitely very good companies to invest in. Right, si SMPH, kamustahin ko nga si SMPH kasi holder din ako kay SMPH. Ayun. Nag-break na support. Malapit na tayo sa Bodega levels ulit kay SMPH, right? Very good company. Still, look at that. Second quarter earnings, still very good numbers. So, dapat binobodega yung mga yan. Khalil Angeles, good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Alco, Holcim, Meg, PPG, CPG. Right. Alco. Ang haba na episode natin ngayon na. Right. Alco. Right. Medyo pababa pa si Alco. Downtrend pa po. I don't wanna recommend Alco yet. Holcim. May resistance. But good momentum. May volume spike naman. So, antay lang tayo ng pullback and bounce ni Holcim if ever you wanna enter Holcim. Si Meg, bodegahin niyo po yan. PPG, yun. Sakto-sakto yung recommendation ko PPG dati. Lumipad na. PPG, doing a pullback. Antay tayo ng bounce ni PPG before we na recommend that. CPG naman, one of my favorite stocks. Yan. Nagda-downtrend pa po si CPG. I don't wanna recommend it yet. Bodegahin lang natin yan ulit pag bumaba ulit. But definitely, improving company naman si CPG. So, we're waiting for it to give us a clearer price action. Downtrend pa yung pinapakita niya sa atin ngayon. Nico Managa, welcome back, Sir Lloyd. Happy to hear you again. Pasilip po sa MRC. Thanks in advance. Thank you so much. MRC. Ito si MRC, lakas ng climb eh. So, for me, this is already a missed opportunity. But guys, tignan nyo po yung support bounce na yan. Very good support bounce. Maganda yung, not really sure what caused the MRC spike. Medyo mabigat naman yung second quarter earnings niya. So, right now, I'm waiting for MRC to pull back and bounce. Yun yung best entry natin. Taas na kasi ngayon eh. Very high risk position right now for MRC. Burnstone TV Gaming, anong balita kay Tech? Medyo negative yung earnings kay Tech kaya bumabagsak eh. Lenco, LHC please. LHC. Si Poppy, paborito kong stock. Right, si Poppy, downtrend pa. So, abang na lang tayo ulit. And yun sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag nyo po hahabulin sa taas ang isang stock. Hindi po forever ang uptrend. I've been recommending Poppy here, nung magbodega levels tayo, and then, yun na. Ngayon, pa-downtrend na si Poppy, naabangan ko ulit yan, mag-stabilize. Pag nag-stabilize ulit yan, papasukin ko ulit yan si Poppy. Si LHC. Wala, hindi tayo Si Poppy yan kasi dati si LHC. Renetado, good morning, Sir Lloyd. SMPH, salamat. SMPH. Bodega lang kay SMPH kahit na medyo negative siya ngayon. Maganda naman yung volume niya. Right? We have good volume at this level. Actually, pwede na bodegahin ito. Ang ganda ng volume eh. Okay, so, sir, may videos ka for scalping. Thank you, Kaayo. Remigio Cabrera. I'll post about it. Yung kaibigan kong si Jed, yung Cebuano rin na scalper sa eToro, has videos about that. I'll post it in the Billionaires Club. Bangan nyo po. I'll post about that today. Hindi lang ako nakatuto kasi. But there are videos already in scalping. Live pa yon habang nagtitrade. Right? So, check it out. Bigyan ko kayo ng link mamaya. Sir, sa international market Trump rules, totoo yan. Welcome back, FLI. Alright, so meron question dito. Projected open ng now up na naman po 35%. So, yes, that's good sa mga nakapasok kahapon. Pero sa mga gustong humabol ngayon, kayo na pabahala. Gusto niyo yung momentum trade yan. I don't wanna recommend it. Baka maipit lang kayo. Right? I want you to do, responsible trading. Kung naiinggit kayo, that's bad. Right? Only trade it because you know what you're doing. If hindi niyo po alam anong ginagawa ninyo, wag na lang po. Right, Coach? My eToro account is only 95% completed kasi they can't verify the only document that I have under my name. Anyway, I'm OFW. Can I still copy trade though? If ever po hindi po verified yung account ninyo, mahirap po yan. I want you to email this person. This is for Rods Dahay. Email this person, jeffgu@etoro.com for further help. And sumasagot po yan sila sa mga questions po ninyo. Right, projected ATN from Philip Santillan. Isa sa mga paborito kong stocks. Ang taas na ni ATN ngayon. I don't wanna recommend it. Mamaya na po sa pullback. Just keep buying the dips of ATN. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Just keep buying more whenever it dips for ATN. LHC, we covered that already. Welcome back, Sir Lloyd. Miss you from JBL Tech. Thank you so much. Morning, sir. TBGI po. TBGI. Baka isa to sa mga lumipad din, si TBGI. Right, lumipad nga kahapon. Right, wait for pullbacks lang for TBGI. Okay. Asa na to? MPI, already covered MPI. JFC, si JFC. Bodega nilang po si JFC. C and CHP. Si CHP ito, hindi pa natin na-cover si CHP. Right, medyo nanibago ako sa sa pagod yung boses ko kaagad. It's been a while since I've been talking for this number of hours. So, yeah, I think we're gonna be ending early today, 9:15, time check. Si CHP, unclear pa yung movement niya. I don't wanna recommend CHP right now. Okay? I don't wanna recommend CHP. Earnings niya, okay naman yung second quarter earnings niya. So, bumabawi si CHP. Okay, I just want CHP to stabilize even further before I wanna recommend CHP. Okay, tingnan ko lang kung meron akong meron akong na miss. Right, isulap ko po si scalping to remind myself na I need to post about scalping. Kunin ko po yung mga videos ng scalping. Okay? So, again, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on our first episode again. This is season 2 for this year. Siguro tuwing August na yung break natin. Right, so baka ganun ang mangyayaring pattern sa atin. Thank you so much for joining. Reminders, this Saturday, meron po tayong seminar. It's the basics for stock market. Basics po yan. It's not really for trading, but everything you need to know about stock market. If you're here already, for sure, alam nyo na po ano ang stock market. I'm requesting for you guys to share that event. Meron po akong event sa Facebook page ko. Let me go to my Facebook page. Facebook page, Financial Freedom 101. I have an event this Saturday, 9 in the morning. Okay? Lahat po yan ng basics. Dapat malaman ng mga tao about stock market before they start Before they start in the stock market. Please share it. Sa mga kaibigan nyo, invite your friends, tag your friends about this. This is gonna be very helpful for them. Okay? Lahat ng kailangan nyo about stock market, basics to understand stock market, yung paano bumili, magbenta, when to buy, when to exit, yung basics lang, support resistance, averaging down. At least, yung mga friends ninyo na nahirapan magsimula sa stock market, this is gonna be very, very beneficial for them. Join the seminar or share it to your friends at the very least. Okay, Saturday for free po yan. Okay, 9 in the morning, and it's gonna be live in YouTube. I'll do my best to make it live in Facebook also. But sa YouTube po, ito mangyayari. Most probably. Please share this to everyone. Okay? That's it for today. I'll see you again next day. Tomorrow. Let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Good luck sa market po. Bye-bye.